Welcome to this video on fuzzy logic, a way of thinking that embraces partial truths. It's time to move beyond binary perspectives and see the world in shades of gray. True or false? That might be the wrong question. We often rely on outdated binary thinking to navigate a complex, uncertain world that doesn't fit into such simple boxes. Certainty often feels like a reward, but it isn't necessarily a fact. Our brains are wired for energy-saving shortcuts, favoring quick, binary decisions over the metabolic cost of resolving true ambiguity. Life is not a simple toggle switch. By forcing complex, three-dimensional reality into binary choices like good or bad, success or failure, we are often creating caricatures instead of understanding reality. Your brain doesn't actually process information in binary. It is a complex, analog system composed of billions of processors working through electrochemical waves and continuous spectrums of intensity. Language itself is a gradient, not a set of rigid edges. Trying to force exact binary definitions on concepts like justice or a river is like trying to nail jelly to a wall. Nature doesn't exist in boxes. It exists in gradients. We often build identities around categories that don't reflect the underlying reality of our own neural processes. In the attention economy, nuance is often stripped away because it doesn't go viral. Algorithms prioritize the binary residue that feeds on intellectual laziness and conflict. Confidence is not the same as competence. Often, the less we know, the more certain we feel. A neurological glitch that keeps us stuck on the so-called peak of Mount Stupid. Certainty comes at a high price. By waiting for a level of perfection or clarity that doesn't exist, we may end up paralyzed in areas like our health, career, and relationships. In 1965, Lotfi formalized what our brains already knew: partial membership. He proposed that our mathematics should actually mirror the reality of the world. Fuzzy logic uses membership functions to assign degrees of truth between 0 and 1. This shows that nuance isn't a weakness, it's actually a form of mathematics. The machines in your pocket are smarter than we give them credit for. They use fuzzy logic because they are designed to handle the reality that the world is rarely just black and white. A more effective approach is to decide at 70% and iterate toward 100. Perfection and absolute certainty are often the enemies of progress and getting things done. Admitting that it depends isn't a cop-out, it's a recognition of the spectrum. Reflect on your own beliefs and consider where a bit of fuzzy logic might lead you to a more accurate truth.